In the name of God, welcome to Rosmin Training Group. I am Morteza Hosseini, teacher of Siemens Software Training Package. So far, we have prepared training material course packages for Power System Protection Basics, CPAM Relay, reading wiring diagrams for Siemens LV and MV panels, and this is the fourth package currently prepared. Considering the positive feedback we had on your behalf and the many requests that we had about providing Siemens Relay software training, we decided to explain DIGSI4 in our fourth tutorial. In this tutorial, we will fully explain how to set up, configure, and program Siemens relays with DIGSI4 software. In the first chapter, we introduce Siemens relays. First, we introduce different types of relays, and then we explain the application of each type and its connection diagram. In the second chapter, how to install DIGSI4 software is shown, and then how to work with this software in offline mode is explained. And we will have an overview on all menu items in offline mode. The third chapter is about working with the software online. First, we practically teach you how to connect to the Siemens relay, and then working with the software online is explained, including how to transfer information from the computer to the relay, as well as from the relay to the computer. And we do all these practically. Chapter 4 is about configuring Siemens relays, which itself has various parts. First, the matrix configuration is explained. Then, how to create the default display and the control display is explained. And in the next step, the relay programming method with CFC is taught. And we will explain how to program by mentioning some examples. In Chapter 5, we discuss about the setting of Siemens relays with DIGSI4 software. We will enter the settings section of each function and explain how to make the settings. In Chapter 6, we will teach you how to manually make Siemens relay settings and how to apply the setting values to the relay with the buttons on the relay. We also introduce all the buttons on the relay. How to update the DIGSI4 software and firmware of Siemens relays is the subject of Chapter 7. Due to the fact that if the version of the relay and the software are not compatible with each other, it is not possible to connect to the relay online, so how to update the software and firmware of the relay is very important, which we will discuss in that chapter. In the last chapter, we will give a practical example of setting, configuring, and programming Siemens relays. By this tutorial, you can easily set up, configure, and program Siemens relays yourself without the need for expert help. That's because we have taught all the steps in detail, and in fact, we have prepared a completely practical training. We have the pleasure to invite you for our training course.